The wheels of a van goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels of a van goes round and round, all through the town. How are you? Are you okay? I am fine. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow, we've been talking about needs of a family. And we realized that one basic need of a family is food. When you look at the board, what can you see? What can you see? We have different food items. Who can tell me, when you look at these pictures, which food items do you eat in your home? In your home, which food items do you eat? Teacher, in our home, we eat the sweet potatoes. Very good. They're very yummy. What else do you eat in your home? Teacher, yesterday we ate chicken. Nice. What else do you eat in your home? Teacher, we ate rice yesterday and beef stew. That's good. What else? In the morning, teacher, I took milk. That is nice. Teacher, I took milk with some samosas. That is good. So we are saying these are the food items that are found in our home, that we eat in our home. Where do we get these food items? Where do we get them from? Do we just put the plate like this and say, may the food come, and it comes? Where do we get them from? Teacher, there are those that we get from the market. Good. Where else do we get these food items? There are those that are fished from the river, like the fish. Very good. Where else do we get some of these food items? There are those that we buy from the shop, like milk. Those that come from the butchery, you see? So these food items come from different places. And we are saying these food items are divided into three main groups. There are those that we eat for breakfast. There are those that we eat. We can divide these foods according to the time they're taken. We can divide them. We can divide them according to time taken. According to the time taken. Time taken. For example, there are those foods that we eat in the morning. How do you call these foods that we eat in the morning? The ones that we eat in the morning are called the breakfast. The ones that we eat in the morning are called the breakfast. There are those foods that we eat during lunch hour. That is what we call lunch. At noon, we eat lunch. And those that we eat in the evening are called supper or dinner. Then there are those foods that we eat in between these meals. Before I eat lunch, there is something I eat, like an apple. Then when it's almost 3, I eat some popcorns. How do we call those foods? Those ones are what we call the snacks. The snacks. When do we eat snacks? Snacks are eaten in between meals. Very good. Then we can also divide this food according to where they come from. The source, according to the source. We have 2 main sources of food. Only 2. Come rain, come sunshine. There are only 2. We can either get this food from plants or animals. We can get these foods from plants or animal. So we are saying, according to the source, we are saying either from plants or animals. Very good. Then we are saying we can also group these foods according to how they are eaten. There are those foods that are eaten as fruits. We are saying the purpose of the food. For example, those that are eaten as food, like food. Very good. Those that are eaten as fruits. Those that are eaten as vegetables. Okay? So we are saying, if I have to tell someone, why do I eat something like what? Are you saying this? These are broccoli. Is a broccoli food? Do we eat broccoli as food? No. We eat broccoli as vegetables. Okay? Then we have a lemon here. Do we eat lemon as food? Can I eat lemon and say, I've eaten food? No. Lemon will be eaten as a fruit. Then we have the others, the rice, the cassava, the sausage, the chicken, beans, fish, potatoes, arrowroots. All those are eaten as food. So we are saying these food items are divided into different categories. For example, according to the time they are taken, those that we take in the morning, called breakfast, those that are taken at lunch, and those that are taken in the evening, called supper or dinner. Then we have those that are taken in between the meals, called snacks. Then we have the source, from where they come from. We are saying there are those foods that come from animals. For example, is this a plant or an animal? That is an animal. Is this plant or animal? Plant. So this one is animal, animal, plant, 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 animal, 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 plant, plant. This one can be made from plants and from animals. And this one, plants. So, grade 1s. When you go home, I want you to make a scrapbook of foods you eat at home. First of all, explain to me. Group the foods according to the time you eat them. Tell me the foods you eat for breakfast, the tea, the coffee, the donuts, the samosas, all those. Put them on one page and say foods eaten in the morning. Then come and write on the other page food eaten at noon or in the evening. Sometimes we can eat rice in the evening, sometimes you can eat rice during the day. It depends with your menu. So we are saying, then tell me foods we eat as snacks. Okay? And of course, they should be healthy snacks. Do we just eat snacks? No, we have to eat healthy snacks. Snacks that are good for our teeth. Okay? Then come and tell me the foods that we get from animals and those that we get from plants. And then the food that we eat as food, the one that we take as fruits, and the one that we take as vegetables. So that when we meet tomorrow, I want to see a nice pictures of foods we take at home. Any question? Any problem? Is that okay? I want to wish you well and have a blessed day. Thank you.